Nice big girl. Both of them here. I thought I had him. Missed the first time. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get one of them. Two, like three of them. They're playing, but they're not playing. They're so serious. They're looking at it, they're looking at it, they're looking at it. Ah, there goes the male. There goes the male. Hey, 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 hey. There goes the male. There goes the male. There go. Oh, I'm sorry. There goes the male. Told you I'm gonna get that male. What I told y'all. I saw him. He didn't like me. I knew he didn't like me. He has to make a sacrifice. Either grab it or have his women, yeah, he had two of them, grab it. Small little dink. It's a good one too. Oh, got her. Boat flip. Boat flip. Boat flip. Boat flip. Oh, beautiful. Boat flip. Boat flip. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's get that money. Why we playing? he playing? How he playing? Know what I'm talking about, baby? 5'8", 5'8" and a quarter. Yes, Lord. That's what we're doing. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. That's what we're doing, baby. This is what we're doing. Y'all come fishing with me. I make things happen. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all take a look at that. 5'8" and a quarter. Yes. 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 What's wrong with you? Mm. We don't like that. There you go. Got it. Got it. Told you. Told you what I'm gonna do, baby. I told you what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Back at it again. Still doing it. That's how we do it, baby. Yep. Yep. Back at it again. Yes, sir. Dope fishing. Got that one. I knew I'm gonna piss his ass off. He would continue to want that shit. Put that shit in his goddamn face. I knew it. The question is, are you gonna go right back to your honey hole? Cause I'm on fire right now, man. I'm on fire in the springtime. Man, let me tell you. I don't even know the other one that. See what I'm doing, man? That's what I'm doing. Now, I'm gonna give him a little break on that, but what happened was, he was right here, just chilling. I threw over there, he was agitated over there, he didn't bite. I threw over here, try to get to the area, he didn't bite. So I told myself, I'm gonna lay it on this tree right here and dangle it in front of his face until he bite it. He bit it 2 times, came back, got it again, then he took off with it. I see one right here too. I know I just saw him. I know he ain't go to the same spot. Oh, he did go to the second spot. It might be the same one. I think it's the same one. He learned his lesson. Come back over here. Ooh, that's a big one right there. Got one on guard. Hey! So disrespectful. Got one on guard. Ooh, they've been going fights. I'm sorry. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's a little baby boy. That boy ain't running no streets today. I'm trying to tell you, that boy don't know what streets are. So, you know, still at it again. That full moon gave me some good praises. So, like I said, back at it again. Find another bass on guard. Can I take over the mill? Little baby dink, but it's well worth it to wait.